Hello YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. So popular demand, making shito. I'm not swearing. So in Ghana, shito means chili. One of the tribes in Ghana they are called the Gas. From Greater Accra. They're called chili shito. So whenever you hear me saying shito, I ain't swearing. It's chili. I mean chili. So today's menu is AnneBetty's spicy chili sauce. Those of you who've tried it before, I'm giving my secrets today on how to make shito. So I've told you this channel is about fusion of cultures. So I've infused a lot of spices. So my shito is quite different because I've infused different spices from around the world. So when you taste my shito, it takes you on a journey around the world. So come and let's cook. So these are the ingredients for our chili sauce. I've got yellow habanero pepper. I like the yellow ones because they are packed with flavor. It's so aromatic. It's got this fruity flavor to it, so I love it so much. I prefer the yellow ones. And because my son is going to have it, he doesn't want it so spicy, so I've taken the seeds out, and I've got one here with the seeds, which I'm going to blend with all these ingredients together. So this is one large white onion like this, which has been diced. The star anise, I've got bay leaves, and this is the AnneBetty's spice mix. You can check the recipe for AnneBetty's spice mix. And so what I have here is in all is 4 large white onions, 4 red onions. I've got some red pepper. So I've got 1 medium-sized red pepper, 1 medium-sized green pepper, 1 sweet pepper. I've got, I told you about, I always say this, that I love the Ghana ginger. Look at it. You can even tell the difference. It's so different. Organic. I like organic. So I mix it up with the ginger we get from here. If you're wondering where I am, I'm in the UK. So I mix it up with the ginger from UK and the ginger from Ghana. And that's the AnneBetty spice mix. So I'm going to blend all these ingredients together. But first, I'm going to start with this. So I've got about 500 ml of oil, shito. This chili sauce sucks in oil. It's unbelievable, but you watch, you understand what I mean. So in goes our bay leaf and our chopped stuff. We'll leave it to saute. It has to saute for a while. In goes our spice mix. Remember, you need 4 cubes. So all the other ingredients have been blended, and in they go. So we mix it all up together and leave it to simmer. Shito takes a while to cook, so we'll be here for a long while. So I've got 1.5 tablespoon of shrimp powder and 1/2 tablespoon of fish powder. So you stir in the shrimp and fish powder, but you see they're changing color. So it has to reduce gradually, and this has been going on for like an hour now. It's almost done now. So I'll leave it to stew for about 10-15 minutes, and I'll correct the seasoning, and now shito is done. Shito goes with a lot of things. I'll be telling you all about that. So this AnneBetty spice mix, 2 teaspoons, a teaspoon of salt. So in total, it took about an hour and a half for the shito to be done, and this is the quantity I had. So I've got that, and that. That's 1 liter. So AnneBetty sauces. So These are bottled and sold. It comes in mild, hot, extra hot. So if you think this is too much work for you, just inbox me and get your bottle. Now, Shito goes with so many things. It can go with your rice and peas, your potato, jacket potato. You can cut it and put the shito in the middle with whatever is going with. It's versatile. Like how you use your ketchup, I keep on saying it's true. Try it and you know I'm telling you the truth. So I'm going to show you, prove to you. It goes really well with tortilla, spring roll, samosa. Goes really well with your chips. People trust me. So try it and let me know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. This allows you to know first that whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you like what you see, give us some thumbs up. Try it and let me know how it goes. If you've got questions, if there's anything you didn't get quite well, or if there's any other way you've been doing your shito and you want me to know, hey, I'm all in. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way again, blessings.